Hello guys, I just want to say thank you for everything because you support me to build this Team Rasbacor group and I'm so very thankful dahil ang dami pong nakisimpatya dahil kami po ay natanggal sa ibang grupo, kick out po kami and this is like it's a blessing for me because today is July and July is my birth month and this is like this is a greatest gift for me that I build my own group. I build my own team that I called Team Rasbacers. It was built. I was kicked out in other group last July 5 and I built the group that day. So I'm very thankful. I'm so very no July yeah. I'm very thankful that it happens because uh, may mga reason pala na nangyari yon para makagawa din po ako ng sarili kong grupo, sarili kong team. And thank you so much to all the members and the supporters na sumuporta po sa akin na i-build po itong grupong ito. This is not mine, this is ours, you know. Sa atin po ito, this is for all our team. So I'm so very thankful kasi malakas po siya and na-build po siya agad dahil sa unity po natin na yung pagkakaisa po natin para mabuo, para ma-arrange. I'm so thankful. This is a birthday gift for me ever, memory birthday gift for me ever. So I'm so very thankful. At I will do my best. I'm a friend. I will do my best to guide only. I'm not like hindi ako yung strict na namumuno ng GC. Hindi po. Sorry. Hindi po ako yung strict but ganito lang po ako magsalita guys. Then tapos we will do our best para mag-success po tayo, like in every game lahat po tayong magsasuccess kasi wala po tayong yung parang favoritism or something like that. Wala po, pantay po lahat ang patakaran natin diyan sa loob. And thank you also to my admins that sila Sir Drodog, si Sis Emmy, and thank you also to Sis Contawi and Sis Emmy, Sir Drodog, dahil nandyan kayo na katuwang ko sa pagbuo ng team na ito. At sa mga members, thank you so much. Salamat po talaga. I know that on the first day, I thought I'm strict, you know, I already, parang naisip ko din na parang hindi dapat na yung straight ako nagsalita, but pero yung yung point ko lang po is to yung point ko po is to like I want every decision must be parang yung transparent para mag-success po tayong lahat. And I want everything is good para po yung decision ba yung decision po ba is for everyone's good in success, parang yung kabutihan po natin bawat isa sa atin as a marathoner, kasi hindi naman po tayo kasi sikat na parang kumbaga mag-viral ka na agad, pero hindi po. Tayo po ay small YouTuber and we need other community, we need others, we need each other to support each other para po ma-maintain po natin yung aim natin, yung goal natin as a YouTuber. And I'm so very thankful kasi nandyan po kayo lahat. Marami pong sumali lumahok sa ating koponan. I'm so thankful guys. This is my birthday gift, you know. All the decisions I make is for everyone, not for only one. I'm so sorry that last time because parang drastic akong nagsalita, but I'm not that drastic. Ano lang, yung parang straight to the point lang po na sinasabi ko yung opinion because I want my opinion is for everyone's success, not for only one success. If I allow one opinion that for you only, I can't allow that. I want to allow an opinion that for the sake of everyone. That's why I'm really very sorry kung yung mga opinion nyo last time is I didn't accept it, because I'm thinking for everyone, for everyone's sake, not for only one's sake. Pero I'm not that strict admin. I'm a friendly person. Alam po ng nakararami yan. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, alam po nila yan na friendly person po ako. And I want to thank you also to Life Journey team. Thank you so much to the team Life Journey. I was there already. It's like it's been a year already that I was with you, and I'm so very thankful, guys. You're so friendly, and I'm very thankful because I met many friends, legit friends inside Life Journey. They are so nice. They've been so friendly, and I appreciate that. They're so nice to me. That's why I brought also some people inside there before, and we're so thankful because you accept us. Yun ang isang malakas na team din, Team Life Journey. Thank you so much, guys, because we're so happy. We met each other, we're so friendly, and we became friends in all the community. We brought up together. Hindi po tayo, we don't brought down each other, but we brought up each other in every community, and I was very thankful for that. And thank you so much for supporting me, Team Life Journey. I'm so very thankful because I've known you, nakilala ko kayo. And continue lang, guys. I'm still here. I'm always here to support as much as I can. I'm here always, guys. But sometimes I cannot focus because I have team already. But we are talking like collaboration friends. I am with you, guys. I'm always with you. I always fix your time. Friendly team. I want to be a collaborator team with you all the time. Every time you need my time, you need your member time, I can give as long as it's good for us. It will fit, and hindi ko po iaano yon, ibabalewala yon, kasi you are so nice to me, to Team Life Journey. Number one for me, and other team also, all is number one, but they are so nice. They are so nice to us, so thank you. And sino pa ba? Who else more? Baka may nakalimutan. P2P. P2P pala, kay Sir Drodog, na namamahala si Sir Drodog. Salamat. And sino pa? OFW fighters, si Susette, pero po kami, naka-rest po. Kaya we'll see you soon, si Susette. And everyone, I want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you so much, because na-build ko ito during my birthday, to July. Just I want to say July. I don't want to say the date. Then I'm so very thankful because this is a birthday gift for me ever, and you are my birthday gift ever, to all those person who trusted me, sa mga friend ko, sa mga admin ko na before nakiki-GC lang po ako, sa Team 98, kay Ma'am Reza, ang tagal ko na sa'yo, and thank you so much dahil kasama din kita sa aking team, and kay Sis Fine, thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much, sis, dahil you support me in all my way also. Nandyan ka, and salamat sa time mo na nagtatawagan tayo, nag-uusap tayo. Salamat. And to sis Emma TV, salamat din sa Team Unstoppable. Salamat. At sa Team Maangyag, salamat, sis. Salamat sa mga connected Jesus ko na talaga, as in, na sumusuporta sa akin din, and friend ko na talaga sila, as in. And salamat po sa bingo din, kasi kasali pa po ako doon. Parang nakarest lang po ako. Salamat din. And to, ano pa ba? Sa Team Top Tropa Pets, salamat. Maraming salamat. I'm a playlist maker there, pero sometimes I cannot do because of my hectic schedule. Pasensya na po sa ating boss. Pasensya na po, minsan hindi ko po nagagawa kasi super busy lang, and Salamat dahil nakukuha pa rin yung video. Salamat. And everyone, salamat. Sa mga kaibigan ko, alam nyo na yan. Alam nyo na ako yung karamay nyo pagdating sa Resbakan, di ba? Salamat talaga, as in. So, this is my birthday gift that I build my own team. I build my own name also. Own name, yeah. I can say own name. And I can say nothing more, but I just want to say my thank you to my special friend Yumiko and family, because she is my long time friend already. We are the first. She is my first friend in YouTube. Thank you so much dahil because you are there always to support me, and dyan ka lagi, and I'm so very thankful because our friendship is so real, and I'm very thankful. You are my great friends. And to all my legit friends, hindi ko na po isa-isahin, but to thank you, salamat, at nandyan kayo. Yung ano po, yung hindi ko po babaguhin kung ano po yung nandyan. Hindi ko po babaguhin talaga, as in I want to be fair with everyone. I want to be fair with everyone. Basta transparent lang po tayo, at ano po, we should dapat magrespetohan po tayo, then magkaroon po ng unity, pagkakaisa sa bawat isa sa atin, and yun lang po. At saka yung most especially your humbly respect para sa isa't isa. Yun po yung talaga yung importante. Sabi ko, kahit gaano ka pa kataas na tao, if you are very rude to your people, if you are an admin, even you are the higher one, and if you are very rude, no one will like you, you know. Walang magkakagusto sa'yo if you treat them not so nice. If you treat them very bad, very so bad, wala pong magtatagal. So I won't do that to my team. I will never ever do that to my team. I'll promise that. I can be a straight pointer talker. Parang magiging straight po siguro ako, pero may punto. I will sure na may point. But I won't be like other team na pinapahiya yung mga tao, tapos inaano. I won't be your enemy. I am a friend. I will be an enemy to those people who are very so bad to other sa pagtrato nila sa mga tao, which I hate so much. And but on my team, I will never ever do that to you. I won't embarrass anyone. Pero pagdating naman sa trabaho na dyan na we have to be transparent. We have to, dapat anuhin natin yung duties and responsibilities din natin as a member. So, para hindi po tayo magkagulo. Minsan din, we're not perfect. Sometimes, nakakapagsalita po tayo, pero not like other, na talagang grabe. Kaya, Team Resbackers, we have to rest back. No, Team Resbackers, we have to rest back for success, okay? Let me clear you. We have to rest back for success. Wala pong laglagang magaganap. Wala pong laglagang magaganap dito, and I'll promise, guys, to drive this carefully. I'll promise to drive this carefully, guys, and I will do my best to be a friendly person as an admin. I will do my best. Parang So, I'm so thankful. This is my birthday gift ever, yung nakabuo din po ako ng sarili kong team na ang dami pong sumang-ayon. Na pati yung mga ibang admin, naging kaibigan ko, naging tauhan lang po ako nila noon, pero now I build also already my own, but they were my friends. I'm so thankful. I'm very thankful for that. And what else more? And thank you to the Salamat sa lahat talaga, as in. And thank you to my salt and sugar na laging nag-aaway sa akin. So, na laging nag-aaway sa akin minsan, nagsasaway sa akin. I'm so thankful to you for your support for me. You know that, and you know who you are, and I love you, and thank you so much. Like I know already, and salamat guys, salamat sa lahat because hindi andyan kayo sa laban natin, and we will make this more bigger. We will make this, we can do this, and be positive lang po. Be positive lang, and I'm overwhelmed and very thankful talaga. Sa lahat ng mga friends ko, salamat din kasi sumama kayo sa akin. Sumama kayo sa aking kalokohan. Salamat! Salamat talaga as in. Thank you so much sa mga friend ko na sumama pa din sa akin, na nagtiwala. Dahil ako naman tong napapasubo pagdating sa labanan. Kaya andyan. Salamat talaga! Thank you so much. Salamat. Wala akong masabi. Like,